Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming you have teacher or admin rights and that recording is allowed. This avoids interruptions later. Next, install or enable a reliable screen recorder, Chrome extension, native OS tool or third-party app, and grant microphone and tab permissions. Once done, open the Google Classroom Stream or classwork page and cue the lesson slides, video, or tab you'll capture. Make sure notifications are muted and your camera and mic are positioned. Start the recorder only when the first slide is ready to show. You now choose the capture mode, full screen for slides, a window for an app, or a single tab for a video, because each gives different quality and privacy control. Then select audio sources, mic only for narration, system audio for embedded video, or both for mixed content. Test levels briefly. While recording, narrate clearly, use brief pauses to transition, and employ pause/resume or chapter markers if your recorder supports them. Once you finish a section, stop the recording and review the clip to confirm clarity. You finalize by trimming silence and compressing the file to a classroom-friendly MP4. Export settings like H.264 and a reasonable bitrate keep quality without huge size. Next, upload the video to Google Drive, set sharing permissions so students can view, and attach it to a classroom post or assignment with clear instructions. If playback issues appear, make sure permissions allow anyone with the link. Test in an incognito window. And if audio is out of sync, re-export after adjusting frame rate or re-record the audio.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.